There have been quite a few releases this Friday, but among the gamut, the most talked about were, of course, Bazaar and Kashi. While day one wasn't too great for both the films, Saif Ali Khan's stock market drama has shown a rise on day two. However, Kashi still struggles to get the cash registers ringing. Bazaar earned Rs 3.07 crore on Friday and witnessed a 33.6% growth on Saturday, pocketing Rs 4.10 crore. The film's total collections now stand at Rs 7.17 crore. Trade expert Taran Adarsh took to social media to announce the day 2 figures for Bazaar. He wrote, "Bazaar picks up pace on day 2, witnesses 33.55% growth, which is a healthy trend. Needs to regain lost ground by scoring higher numbers on day 3 and also on weekdays. Mumbai circuit is performing better. Friday 3.07 crore, Saturday 4.10 crore. Total Rs 7.17 crore India business." Spot Boy editor Vicky Lalwani called Bazaar an entertaining film. He rated it 3 stars and wrote, "First things first, fresh from the web series Sacred Games where he played his part well, Saif Ali Khan is finally shining again on the big screen. The Nawab of Pataudi is so good that he erases all the bad memories you have of his past few years when the filmmakers did not do justice to his skills. Rohan Mehra does his late father Vinod Mehra proud. What a break and what a performance. The film begins and ends with this young man. Bazaar is a complicated film of the egos of these two males in the big bad world of stocks. But yes, extremely entertaining with a lot of dialogue bazi. On the other hand, Kashi couldn't do too many wonders at the box office. After opening up to Rs 20 lakh on day 1, the film managed to earn Rs 25 lakh on Saturday, as reported by Box Office India. The film's total collection stands at only Rs 45 lakh in 2 days. This Sharman flick will need to show a remarkable growth to even recover its cost. Right, Sharman? Spot Boy editor Vicky Lalwani rated Kashi as 1.5 stars and wrote, "There's too much happening in the town called Kashi and the man called Kashi. But yet, the pace of the film is painstakingly slow. And so beyond a point, you're not interested in who's the mastermind behind the disappearance of Sharman Joshi's sister." And so, Kashi can be summed up as a thriller which loosens up so much that you are just waiting for it to end. That says it all, doesn't it?